Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, I'm Amina. What is it all about? Well, reflections, wisdom, food sometimes, and even vlogs. This is my first vlog ever. I don't even know how to do the introduction, but hey, welcome to snippets of my week. I don't know how long I will drag this. So today is Friday and already afternoon. Currently I didn't just wake up. I had a long morning, I did some things and all that. Now I'm going to continue reading two books that I started. One is a book that I've, like, if you haven't kept up to date with my Shot of Wisdom series, then you will know that this balcony is my favorite place at the house. I read there, I relax there, and I even film my videos there. So currently I'm trying to read one new book. Why you act the way that you do? Apparently it's a book about emotional intelligence. Now this is one fun fact about me. I read multiple books at the same time. Like, I know I need to finish one before getting to the other, right? Currently I'm going to start a new book. I'm reading What Happened to You, that book by Oprah and Dr. Perry. Get it? I'm reading one copywriting book because apparently I need this copywriting skills for my small business. I don't even know how I'm going to do it, but since my mind is telling me to read this, I'm going to read it. Good morning guys, it's another day. Today is Saturday and it's currently 12 noon. I woke up early today because apparently I've worked on my sleeping pattern. I might talk about this maybe one day on the channel. And I have an event that I need to be at by 10 and it's 12 now. I promise you I got up early, but life happened. So now on my way there. I'll see you guys when I go there. An update, I'm still at home. I'm even contemplating of going because I'm quite sensitive today. Not that it's I find it's always a problem with it. But today is one of those days that I had a good morning cry. You know, when everything is so overwhelming, you need one. Why I'm sharing all of this, I'm sharing this because I want to tell you guys that it's okay for you to be vulnerable. It's okay for you to cry. Crying is not a sign of weakness. It doesn't mean that you are a weak human. You are human, you know. Every emotion is there for a reason. When it's too overwhelming, when it's too hard, get a good cry. It will relieve your heart, okay? Let me be going. Honestly, I'm super late.
A business doesn't work for you.
I'm actually at the event, but the fun fact here is I walked up to some people and talked to them first. I've officially quit the introvert club, guys, and I feel so happy. Though I was nervous, I was thinking how they react, and because I stepped out of my comfort zone, I don't know what I was doing. Currently, I'm at the toilet. Yes, I know, and it's a bit messy. I don't even think I will go and use it, but I feel so happy. I feel proud of myself right now. It's a proud moment. So I've already marinated this chicken yesterday with turmeric, Arabic spice mix, that's their famous 7 spice mix, then a bit of sweet chili sauce and salt. That's it, nothing fancy. Now we're going to go ahead and fry it. By the way, if you like what you see, please kindly tap on that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed before, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell on that notification bar when you subscribe. This way you will get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you. I have some thinly sliced onions for the caramelized chicken. I've sliced them. I try to slice them as thin as possible because that will help them caramelize faster and even better. Okay, so when the chicken is cooked halfway through, I'm going to go and strain it here. I will fry the remaining batch Along with some oil, undiluted, we are going to go ahead and caramelize the onions. This is 5 large onions here. I will sprinkle some salt. It will help release more water from the onions, and so it will caramelize. We'll be stirring constantly because we want it to caramelize uniformly. So yeah. Okay, the onions are okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in puree made of ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet. Okay, so after I have added soy sauce, I added seasoning and a bit of water, and I added the chicken back to it. Now it's all done. I'm going to go and turn the heat off. Good morning, guys. It's another day today. It's Monday. I skipped a day actually. Yesterday was quite hectic, even though it was Sunday. I had a wash day. Yes, I'm a natural, and I stuck up for one of my business, one of my brand, Homographs, and I work for one of the brands that I'm launching by December as well. So I had no time for skincare, and obviously I need to focus on that. So I woke up and did my morning routine, and yeah, my masking. I'm taking some tea now. I'm going to wash this up and meditate. It's been long that I've meditated. I think in like 2 weeks, so I need to do that.